Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, April 16th, 2018. First of all, I did not mean to cut my hair this short. That is the truth. It hasn't been this short since the Navy. Most of you know I did serve in the United States Navy Medical Service Corps. All right, anyway, let's move on to what's going on here. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are higher across the board. And a lot of you are surprised by this, writing to me this morning, hey Greg, why is the market higher? You know, wouldn't you expect the market to be lower after we just, fired off a whole bunch of missiles and dropped a whole bunch of bombs on Syria? No, this is very classic of how the market would respond here. Let's cover that just real quick. It's kind of like old news. It's out of the way. So the market likes that. It's got more certainty. Before this happened, the market was kind of, struggling. It didn't know what to do. It didn't know what the ramifications were going to be. Now we have some more clarity. So that's the sickness of this market. It really is. However, there's a couple of things going on here that I don't like. Number one is this dollar. The dollar continues to bleed off. And how many times have you been hearing me say this? I mean, the dollar has been in a downward spiral now for well over a year, with no signs of any type of a meaningful recovery. It's going to continue its trajectory lower, which means you, my friend, are going to pay more for everything. Dollar gets weaker, prices inflate. That's the way it works. So I hope you're happy about that. Number two, this bond market here, under pressure today. I don't like it. However, I don't believe they're going to allow it to continue. Take a second. Go look at the chart on my website, traderschoice.net. There's a link right down here in the description of this video, right under that chat room. It's bleeding off. Watch. At one point today, they're going to get in here and start buying those up. They won't allow it to happen. It's a fake market. You are very, very well aware of that. So that's really all that's going on here right now. Despite all the nonsense and the garbage, I still believe they're going to prop this up, especially in light of what's going on geopolitically and everything else. The market is used not just as a political tool, as you well know. It is used as a distraction for everything else. People focus on their money more than anything else. So keep people distracted. Look here. Look here. Don't look here. It's always the same story. It never stops. So let's keep our eye on all this. Let me just say a few more things. Metals are higher. We'll see how long that lasts. Despite the dollar getting hit hard today, it should more or less be a pretty easy correlation. Weaker dollar, metal should be higher. But this is not always the case, as we all know, in the rigged, an absolutely rigged metals market. It's ridiculous. Cryptocurrencies were higher, took a hit early this morning. I still believe they're bleeding off here. Interesting also. Anyway, let's keep our eye on these things, people. We're going to sum this all up at the end of the day. It's going to be fun. See you then.